Rise of faceless AI-driven social media channels, gaining millions of views and subscribers. Tutorial on creating similar content. Introduction, highlighting the phenomenon of AI-driven channels with significant views and subscribers. Emphasizing the unchecked growth and monetization of these channels in a short time frame. Mindset and approach, encouraging a mindset of continuous learning and growth. Analogies of a river never growing stale and seeds sprouting outside their shells. Content creation process. Use ChatGPT for crafting a script with motivational quotes and historical analogies. Utilize Atom Voice from Lumen 5 for dynamic audio clips. Explore midjourney.com for thematic images to complement the script. CapCut for seamless video editing, adding overlays, effects, and transitions. Highlighting CapCut's auto caption function for streamlined caption addition. Alternative approach. Introduce InVideo.io as an AI-powered video creation platform. Showcase its efficiency in creating videos aligned with the vision. Resource integration. Canva as a resource for sourcing video footage, enhancing content. Video examples. Use the combined tools to create 3 distinct videos with unique styles and thematic focuses. Examples include Breaking Free from Comfort Zones, Amelia Earhart, Continuous Learning, Leonardo da Vinci, and Resilience, Winston Churchill. Conclusion. Recap the tools used and their versatility. Provide convenient links to the tools in the description for easy access. Encourage likes, subscriptions, and continued exploration of technology for creative endeavors. This concise tutorial offers a versatile toolkit for creators in the faceless AI channel realm, catering to both established creators and newcomers. The tutorial emphasizes the efficiency and creativity these tools bring to the content creation process. Like and subscribe for more content on leveraging technology in creative endeavors.